So here we are at the back of our trailer. We're going to demonstrate how to properly adjust a manual slack adjuster. So on a manual slack adjuster, the first thing you're going to know is that it's a 9/16 bolt and there should be a sleeve going around that bolt. That's how you know if it's a slack adjuster. So let's say this brake was out of adjustment. The first thing you want to do is listen to the sound of your drum. That's the sound of a drum that has no brake shoes contacting it. We can visually see that too since there's no dust cover here. That's why we chose this trailer for this video. So in order to turn your brakes in and get your shoes to contact your drum, you got to know which way to turn it. So imagine if someone pushed your brakes, the push rod would come out, push it on your slack adjuster here, and that would turn your S-cam. This is the end of our S-cam. It would turn clockwise. So let's make sure that turns clockwise so we don't back off our brakes. We want to tighten them in all the way, right there. And now let's tap our drum and listen to the sound it makes so we know we're making contact. Treat this bolt like it's a clock. So we want to back it off now between 1/4 and 1/3 of a turn. So we're going to start at 6 o'clock and we're going to start with 1/4 turn back to 3 o'clock. We're now going to tap on our brakes. We're not contacting our drum because we do not want those dragging, and now we're going to check for adjustment. We're within 1/2 inch to 1 inch on a hand pull. If we were using the applied method, it should be within about 1.5 inches. If you're at 2 inches, that's the end of your stroke and you should probably make an adjustment. And that's how you would set your manual slack adjuster on your truck.